Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust colors in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is to open your projects. And to do so, you will need just to go to the file menu, and from here you can start creating a new project, and you choose here the aspect ratio that you would like, or you can simply open a project. After that, you will be needing to import media to your timeline. So here I have a stock media. This is a video, and basically I have here also an image. So as you can see, here we will find this media. And to adjust any color of any object, you will be needing to just go to the property panel. And basically for Filmora, there is the project panel, the playback panel, or the preview panel, and the timeline. So from the property panel, here you will find that I'm using a video. This is also a video, and this is an image. And basically for each of them, you will have another bar or menu that is called color. So from here, you will be able to adjust color from every aspect. Either you can start playing with the hue, saturation, and lightning, as you can see. And let's just go to the here, and you can, since there is uh, the purple, and as you can see, you can choose the hue of any color. You can start playing with the curves. For example, I would choose the red, and I want it to be for example, like that, etc. You can also go to the color wheels and start playing with the highlights of some colors if you'd like, etc. And basically, Filmora will give you a variety of tools that you can use for your videos or for your footage. And you can also disable any changes that you would like. So you can preview by disabling it and enabling it. And you can control the color with it using the curve, or basically just the basic settings, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.